House hunting tips, part 2 of 2, things to avoid. Before we start, please like and subscribe so you can see more of our videos.
Pictures can be very deceptive online. Sometimes rooms look much larger in the picture than it actually is in person. So it's important for you to actually go see a house when it's something that interests you. Also, you need your other senses when you look at the house. You need to be able to hear and see, is there a lot of noise in the area? Is there constant traffic in front of the house? Does something smell bad? Was the owner smoking in the house? And now you've got this serious problem that you can't get the smoke out of the rugs and the walls and everything else, and that can be quite costly. Also, being able to go up and look at the attic and seeing, is there insulation missing? Is it moldy or is something wrong up there? Also very important. So it's very important to go and look at the house, not just look at pictures online.
Remember that at the open house, the agent present is representing the seller and the seller's interests. If you're chatting with that agent and you happen to mention you're pre-approved up to $750, but you'd only like to offer $725, you have just compromised your negotiating position. It's best practice that you hire your own buyer's agent who can negotiate on your behalf.
Don't discount a property just because it doesn't have everything on your priority list. It's important to make a list of things that you want. You would probably want to separate the list into must-haves and would need, maybe, would like to have. But don't get too rigid thinking that I have to have everything on my list, especially if you see a property that is in the neighborhood that you're looking. It's more important for you to go and take a look at that property and see if there's something that you could change to make it yours. So for instance, if there are quartz counters and you really wanted marble, well, that's pretty much an easy fix for you to change out countertops after you purchase the house. So always go and look at a house, even if not everything's on that list.
We hope this has been helpful. We are the McLoughlin and Sommer team with Century 21 Redwood in Ashburn. Like and subscribe.